it's always running.
Yeah.
Yeah, the start is just it starts it and then it lets go. The run is always running. That's why I have to be close. It's running all the time. Yes, no, maybe.
Yep.
Yeah. All right, let's look at our tools and let's go outside, guys. Let's do this.
Get some class, young man.
You go outside? Catch me outside?
Yes, all the time. Like the compressor and the fan go together. And in the refrigerator and everything, that's any system. The compressor and the fan turn together because the fan doesn't turn on, the compressor is going to overheat. It needs the air. It needs the air.
Yeah, too.
Yeah,